Midnight Raven here, and today we're going to do another unboxing. I'm loving these unboxings for Halloween, and today we are going to be unboxing this box, which is Glossybox. This is the October box. It comes in this box, and then inside we get to the really good box. Glossybox is £10 a month. You get 5 items, and it looks like this. Ooh la la, look at that. Let's just admire this box. Usually the box is pink, and this month is obviously for Halloween. So we have this gorgeous red box, and we also have this gorgeous blood-stained, dripping mouth in black. There are 2 variations of these boxes. I didn't pick my box, so this is the box I got, but there is a variation on the box. It does say trick or treat. They were the 2 boxes. This one says trick, and there was a treat box. Obviously, you know me, I've gone for the treat box, and then there was a trick one. So let's take a look inside. So usually the inside of the box would have pink tissue paper, and it would be done up with a black bow. Now this month is obviously black tissue paper, and we've got this burgundy bow, and it's all very nicely packaged. I always love how Glossybox takes such pride in doing their boxes. So, trick-or-treaters. As the chilly breeze hits and Halloween approaches, our October edits will seriously warm things up. This month, we're doubling the fun with the launch of 2 box designs. Obviously, I've got the treat one. You received our box, a complimentary, cruelty-free edit brimming with 4 full-size makeup heroes that will help you nail a chic and sultry take on Halloween. Ooh, cool. There's also a sneaky peek for November. So if you can't afford this box, or it's too late when you order it, there is a sneaky peek for November. And in November, it says that we're getting a full-size liquid matte lipstick from Huda Beauty worth £18. It's usually in 2 different colours as well, so you usually get to choose the colour. It looks like they're going to be kind of autumnal tones, so that's going to look cool. And obviously this is the trick-or-treat. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items all together. So let's take this gorgeous ribbon off and see what we've got. Ooh, it's like Christmas. So I love the fact that they take such care and it's all nicely put in. They have the noodles and everything. It's all nicely packaged, which is awesome to see. I love the fact they put so much effort into their boxes. So, gonna go for the first item. Now this item, you did have an option of 2 colours. I didn't pick mine. My email never came through, unfortunately. So, I don't know what this is. So, there is a chance of it being a pink or a purple. Now, I'm hoping for purple. So, let's just read about it and then I will show you. This is the Antimatter Lipstick in Nebula. It looks like I got the pink. I wanted the purple. Never mind. This perfect clutch accompaniment for your Halloween party is cruelty-free, a British beauty brand with an edge that will suit any outfit. It's worth £20, and unfortunately, I've got the pink, which is all right. I was hoping for the purple, to be honest, but I didn't get to choose, so it comes nicely packaged like this, which is kind of cool, and it says Luminous MAC. What? Luminous MAC? I can't read that. And then inside, it's pink. It's the pink colour, which I didn't want. It's the bright pink. It's a shame. There was a gorgeous kind of deep purple. Oh, I love the deep purple, but I've got the pink, so it's worth £20. So it's a nice item. Let's move on to the Sleek Makeup Palette. Okay, so this is Sleek Makeup and it's Eye Divine. We have a makeup palette. This is mineral based eyeshadow palette in Oh So Simple. Oh So Special. So I've had loads of these before. I love their palettes. They're really nice, brightly coloured, good pigment. And I have some sleek ones that I've had before. Ooh. Oh, absolutely gorgeous, as always. So inside, you've got a mirror, as always. Love the size of the mirror. You have a double-ended long applicator brush. And then we have the colours here, look. See, so we have everything from pinks, we have browns, and then the colours that they have, if I get it right, we've got bow, organza, ribbon, gift basket, glitz, celebrate, pamper, gâteau, the mole, box, wrapped up, and noir. So absolutely love this palette, lovely colour. I love that it's travel size as well. Very sleek, fit in your pocket, fit in your bag. I love these palettes, so this is good, good, good. So this is the eyeshadow palette in Oh So Special. It's worth $8.99. It says swap your summer shades for a moodier autumnal look. These 12 super pigmented, long-lasting mineral-based shades will cover all bases from the smoky eye to the sophisticated daytime. So I don't dispute that. That is a good product. Then we are going for... we'll go for this one. It's the In Transit Camera Close-Up. And this is a mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. This is from This Works. So I've had these before. This is ready for your close-up. It's cruelty-free. It's a powerful blend of repairing plant oils, argan and starflower. It's worth £17 for 20 mils. So this is obviously a sample size or a travel size. And you can get a full size. It's £35. So, ooh, expensive. This powerful, beautiful, this perfect way to radiate the signs of fatigue, boost hydration on your skin. So that's kind of cool. I don't use a primer or anything like that when I put makeup on. I just don't have time. Next one is a translucent powder. So I want to say this is this one, and it's from Luna by Luna. I love the name. Luna by Luna Cosmetics. Ooh. And it's in this cool little pot. It's translucent powder. So let's see if we can get it to be shown. It comes with its own little sponge as well, its own little blush sponge. I'm not going to take the lid off because it's actually leaking everywhere, but the colour itself is like I want to say it's like a beige white. It's coming off lighter on the camera, but it is a bit darker. So let's see what we have here. This is the translucent powder by Luna Cosmetics. I've never heard of them. This is worth £17. It is a full-size item. Hailing from New Jersey, this cruelty-free setting powder sets your makeup to hold and keep your smooth skin for hours. We're in love with this weightless formula that soaks up excess oil and softens the lines. That's kind of cool. I've never heard of Luna by Luna, so that's a new make for me to try. And we've got one more item. And this is the Set and Reflect Finishing Kit by MUA Luxe. Ooh. So I'm going to have to open it to show it to you. So while I do that, I will tell you a bit about it. So this is the Luxe set, and it's a finishing powder. It says that it's £5, pretty good price. This is by MUA Luxe. This is apparently vegan friendly and cruelty 2-in-1 compact, the perfect way to mattify your T-zone and top up your glow on the go. Okay, so it comes in this little box. Ooh, that's kind of weird. Oh, I see. Okay, so it looks like this. Got a little mirror, and you've got this bit here, and then underneath you've got this. Let me try and show you both. So we've got it like this. I've never used anything like this before, so this is new to me. Let's have, ooh, wrong way around. There a sec. This luminescent highlight helps you to achieve an intense, indecent look in a single swipe. Apply the highlight to your cheeks, bridge your nose. So that's kind of cool. I've never used anything like that, so that's definitely going to be an experience for me. And it comes in a little compact, and I like how it's got a mirror in it. So all in all, the products are okay. I've never heard of Luna by Luna. I can't wait to try that. I'm not so sure about this one. It looks a bit complicated for me. I like my makeup simple. I love the sleek palette. Absolutely love that. Love a smoothie eye me. The In Transit throw it on the floor. Close Up Moisturizer. I love using them as well. I usually put it on my T-zone to help. And then the last one, unfortunately, I could cry right now, is the Antimatter lipstick in pink, which I wanted the purple. So if anyone out there has the Antimatter lipstick in purple and you don't want it, send it my way because I'd love it. We'll swap. Anyone wants a pink and you have the purple from the trick box, I'd love to have the purple. But all in all, 5 products for £10. Brilliant offer. There is postage. I can't remember how much it is. I think it's about £3. But I will put all the details down below. Like I said, there is a sneaky peek for November. So if you're interested in getting a Huda Beauty liquid matte stick in November, it's worth £18. So this was the Trick or Treat Glossy Box for October. Like I said, apart from the lipstick, I'm not disappointed. But if anyone does have the purple, I'd love it. So, like I said, gorgeous box. I'm definitely going to keep this one. I don't tend to keep the boxes, but this one I'll make an exception. And look at this. I do have other boxes coming for Halloween, obviously. I do have the Birchbox coming for October as well. That is in the process of coming. And I believe I also get 2 free boxes with it as well. So that should be even cooler. If you check their website out at the minute, just to say, Birchbox have a deal at the minute where if you use the code WOW, you can actually get 2 other boxes with your Birchbox. So do check Birchbox out if you really want a bargain. So back to Glossybox. It looks divine. Love the products. Love the design. I would highly recommend Glossybox. They do put so much effort into their boxes. And you can see by the design on the boxes that they've gone the extra mile this year. So if you haven't already and you'd love to like and subscribe to me, please give me a big thumbs up. I will put my playlist here and my Halloween playlist and all my other Halloween and unboxing goodies popping up here. And I will see you very soon for another unboxing. Take care, and if I don't see you in another video before, have a happy Halloween. Bye!